brought me to the limelight 10 years ago. And this song brought me to a lot of places. I love you too. At dahil po sa song na to, I was able to provide for my family. Ten years ago, hindi po ako umaasa na mananalo sa Star na Million, pero binigay po sa akin ng Panginoon. Kaya po, ngayon, I think this is the perfect moment for me to give it back to you. Ito pong awiting ito ay inaalay ko sa inyo pong lahat na nandito. Na 10 years po akong minahal at 10 years din po akong sinuportahan. Guys, this is not just my moment. This is your moment.
Magtatakti na lang ako. Walang signal kanina. Wala pa, hindi pa tapos. Sige na.
This is the moment.
Sige na, sige na. Sige na, mauna na kayo. Oo.
This is the day. When I sing all my dance in the birds. When every and ever. Is coming in to play. Is here This is the moment.